What's up YouTube? It's your boy Moto Gorilla, and today we are going to paint the exhaust and the engine of my Bajaj V15 2016 edition. So all you have to do is undo these four Allen bolts that cover the exhaust shield and that another, it's a shield as well. So all you have to do is undo both of these, mask all the chrome bits, and sand the upper layer of the paint on the exhaust and on the engine. Make sure your engine and exhaust are cool so that you can easily work on them. Also, make sure that they are very clean. I just got the bike diesel washed yesterday, last night, and the bike was clean. As you can see, I have taken off the exhaust shield. Now the other part. So this also is like an exhaust shield, as I said earlier. It's a bit tight. All right, here we go. And that is about it. I'll be showing you how do I cover all the parts possible, and let's try to make the bike look a bit more fresh, because it's almost been 5 years now, and this bike is daily driven by my dad. So he'll be a bit happy as well to see that the bike has been rejuvenated. The engine and the exhaust, as you can see, are a bit faded away now. Alright, so I've taken these two attachments off. Now I'll be using polish paper to sand this off. Just make sure you don't sand it on the chrome parts. If you are a bit clumsy, just mask this part up. Let's go ahead. It's normal. Yeah, you can see the metal is coming out. The external paint that Bajaj had already applied, you just have to wear that off. Okay YouTube, so I have masked all the parts that I don't want to be black. So this, and we'll be just doing halfway through, and then I'll be taking these off and using them again, because save paper. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'll just show this to you. So this is the Bosney high temp spray. It says 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which comes to I don't know, 200 degrees Celsius. So 200 degrees Celsius, I don't think this engine might be getting, because 100 degree is boiling point. So everything would just get pulverized. But nevertheless, here goes the first spray. It's a bit windy out here, so I think I might start as well from here. So here I go. Alright, so first coat is up. Looks promising. Wow. So what I've done right now is I've started the engine and I'll let it idle for around 5 to 10 minutes, because that is how the high heat resistant paint cures. So make sure your engine and your parts, like especially, they are cold when you paint them, but you have to heat them up if you don't have an oven. Of course, I don't have an oven to put my bike in or my engine in, so I'm using this technique. You can also use a heat gun. I've seen that technique as well, so that also works. You can start your engine for 10-15 minutes or 5-10 minutes. That should also work, or putting it in the oven altogether should also work. Alright, so I have decided to do the engine as well. Why not? You only live once. So here I go. Just before I do that, I'll just mask this part up. It's good to go. Alright, so done with one coat of high heat resistant paint. Looks absolutely brilliant. I did some touch up on the handlebar and on the mirror as well, just because I had some extra paint lying around. The engine looks top notch. I've missed a few places, but that's okay. Let's keep that for next time, because this will fade away eventually. This will not last long. And the kick was touching over here, so I have just put some insulin tape. That will also not stay there for a long time, but who cares. Bike looks really awesome now. Alright, so हमने यूज़ किया है हाई हीट टेम्परेचर स्प्रे एग्जॉस्ट और इंजन पे. हाँ, इंजन को क्लीन करना, बाइक को क्लीन करना मत भूलिएगा कलर करने के पहले. हैंडल और टी को भी थोड़ा टचअप कर दिया है. वाह 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 वाह. और इसको ना धूप के अंदर सूखने रख दो फॉर लाइक 3-4 घंटे, जितना भी घंटे धूप आ सके. अभी मैं तो इसको एक दिन आज पूरा आराम देने वाला हूँ. बिल्कुल नहीं चलाऊँगा, डायरेक्टली चालू करूँगा कल और यूज़ करना करूँगा चालू कल से.